In 2026, electricians and plumbers are choosing tools that save time, reduce fatigue, and deliver precision every single day. Wiha is leading the way with smart, durable, and professional-grade tools that make every job smoother and safer. From screwdrivers to multifunctional pliers and compact kits, these tools are built to last and designed for real-world work. Let's check out the top Wiha tools changing the game. The Wiha speedE PocketDrive is a compact electric screwdriver that packs high performance into a slim, lightweight design. Perfect for electricians, it delivers precise torque control to prevent over-tightening and damage to sensitive components. Its ergonomic handle and intuitive speed control reduce wrist strain during repetitive work. The integrated LED ring light enhances visibility in tight spaces, making panel installations, switches, and outlets easier than ever. Quick change bits add versatility, and its robust motor ensures long-lasting performance. Professionals appreciate its balance of power, precision, and portability, making it an essential addition to any electrician's daily toolkit. The Wiha Crimp tool for MC4 connectors, 2.5, 4, 6 mm, is built specifically for solar and electrical professionals. Its precision-engineered jaws create secure crimps for MC4 connectors, ensuring reliable connections in photovoltaic systems. Ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue during repetitive tasks, while consistent crimp pressure guarantees safe, professional results every time. Durable, high-quality steel construction ensures this tool lasts through years of heavy-duty work. Fast, precise, and dependable, it saves time on every project and reduces costly errors. Electricians and plumbers working with solar panels or wiring systems rely on this crimp tool as a critical component of their professional kit. The Wiha Multi-functional pliers 8-in-1 combine multiple functions in one versatile tool. Cutting, stripping, gripping, and crimping are all possible without switching tools, saving time on every job. Hardened cutting edges handle tough wires effortlessly, while ergonomic handles provide maximum comfort and control. Its compact design allows access in tight spaces, making it ideal for electrical panels, plumbing fixtures, or mechanical work. Built with professional-grade materials, this pliers set ensures longevity, precision, and safety. For electricians and plumbers looking to simplify their toolbox, the 8-in-1 Wiha Multi-functional pliers provide unmatched efficiency and reliability. The Wiha Double ring ratchet wrench 4-in-1 is designed for speed and flexibility in tight spaces. Combining 4 commonly used sizes into one compact wrench, it reduces the need for multiple tools. Its fine-tooth ratchet mechanism allows smooth turning even in restricted areas, while high-quality steel construction ensures durability under heavy torque. Comfortable, non-slip handles provide safe operation, and the clever 4-in-1 design saves both time and space in the toolbox. Perfect for plumbing, electrical, or mechanical work, this wrench delivers professional results efficiently, helping electricians and plumbers complete tasks faster without sacrificing precision or safety. The Wiha Tool Backpack Electric is a complete solution for mobile professionals. Designed to carry essential electrician tools in a durable, organized backpack, it ensures quick access to everything on the job site. Padded straps enhance comfort during long work days, and multiple compartments keep tools protected and sorted. This 28-piece kit includes insulated pliers, screwdrivers, testers, and more, making it ideal for field work. Professionals appreciate its portability, efficiency, and organization, allowing them to tackle any job without wasting time searching for tools. The Wiha Tool Backpack ensures electricians and plumbers are ready for any challenge wherever their work takes them. The Wiha Toolset Electrician Competence XL 81 pieces provides everything a professional electrician could need in a single, well-organized case. VDE-certified insulated tools guarantee safety while handling electrical work, covers almost every situation. From pliers to screwdrivers, cutters to testers, this kit is designed for efficiency and long-term durability. The rugged XL case keeps all tools neatly organized and portable for fieldwork. For electricians and plumbers who want a professional, ready-to-go solution, the Competence XL ensures maximum productivity, safety, and confidence on every project, making it a true all-in-one investment. The Wiha Extra Heavy Duty and MicroFinish Screwdriver Set combines durability with precision. The MicroFinish handle design provides a secure grip even when hands are oily or wet, while the heavy-duty shafts deliver high torque for tough fastening jobs. Each screwdriver is crafted to reduce strain and maximize control, ensuring accurate work with every turn. The foam tray keeps tools organized, preventing loss or damage. Suitable for electricians, plumbers, and industrial professionals, this set is perfect for repetitive, demanding tasks where precision, comfort, and reliability matter most. Professionals trust this set for efficiency and long-lasting performance. The Wiha Original color-coded nut setters simplify work with intuitive color-coded design for quick fastener identification. Professionals can instantly grab the right size, saving time and reducing errors on electrical and plumbing tasks. Magnetic tips hold nuts securely for one-handed operation, while the robust steel construction ensures long-lasting durability under demanding use. The ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended work, minimizing hand fatigue. Designed for electricians, plumbers, and assembly professionals, these nut setters streamline repetitive fastening jobs, improve efficiency, and deliver professional results every time. A smart, time-saving tool that has become indispensable in modern toolkits. The Wiha GoBox bit sets are compact, tough, and ready for any professional task. With a variety of bits neatly stored in a GoBox, electricians and plumbers can quickly switch between drivers, saving time on the job. The durable construction ensures that bits withstand heavy-duty work without wear or stripping. The ergonomic case design fits easily into a backpack or belt pouch, making it perfect for mobile professionals. Whether installing fixtures, repairing panels, or tightening connectors, the GoBox provides versatility, efficiency, and reliability. This all-in-one solution is a must-have for anyone serious about precision and convenience in their toolkit. The Wiha TorqueVario-S delivers precision torque control for professional electrical work. Its adjustable mechanism ensures accurate fastening without over-tightening, protecting sensitive components and connectors. Ergonomically designed handles reduce strain during repetitive tasks, while the clear torque scale allows quick, confident adjustments. Ideal for electricians and maintenance technicians, it works seamlessly with various screws and fasteners. Durable, high-quality construction guarantees consistent performance over time. From delicate installations to critical maintenance work, the TorqueVario-S provides professional-grade accuracy and control. For anyone who values reliability, precision, and efficiency, this tool becomes an essential part of every daily toolkit. The Wiha BiCut compound cutters are engineered for precision cutting with minimal effort. Their compound leverage design multiplies cutting force, making heavy-duty wires and cables easier to handle. Industrial-strength steel blades stay sharp longer, and ergonomic soft grip handles reduce hand fatigue during repetitive tasks. The cutters provide clean, accurate cuts every time, essential for electricians, plumbers, and maintenance professionals. Whether trimming cables, cutting conduits, or handling thicker materials, the BiCut ensures efficiency and safety. Lightweight yet powerful, this tool combines professional-grade performance with comfort, helping professionals tackle challenging cutting tasks faster and with more control than standard pliers. The soft finish 1/4 inch stubby bit holder is perfect for professionals working in tight spaces. Its compact size allows access where traditional screwdrivers cannot reach, while the soft finish handle ensures a secure grip. The 1/4 inch bit holder is compatible with multiple bit types, allowing quick changes without losing torque. Durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance, and the ergonomic design minimizes hand fatigue during repetitive use. Electricians and plumbers value this tool for its efficiency and precision, especially in panel work, switch installations, and confined areas. A simple yet essential addition to any professional toolbox. The Wiha Tool's soft finish conduit reamer is a must-have for electrical installation tasks. It removes burrs and smooths edges from conduits quickly and safely, ensuring clean connections and easier wiring. The soft finish handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, reducing strain during repetitive use. Combined with the 6-in-1 multi-driver combo, it offers versatility for multiple tasks in a single compact tool. Professionals appreciate the ergonomic design, durable construction, and time-saving functionality. For electricians and plumbers working with conduit, this tool ensures accuracy, safety, and efficiency, making it a reliable, everyday solution in the field. The Magic Ring Ball End Hex L key set is designed for professionals who need speed, precision, and flexibility. The ball end design allows for angled entry in tight spaces, while the magic ring mechanism securely holds screws for easy one-handed operation. Durable alloy steel ensures long-lasting strength, and the compact storage case keeps the keys organized and portable. Electricians, plumbers, and mechanics appreciate this set for assembling panels, fixtures, and machinery efficiently. Its thoughtful design reduces slipping, speeds up repetitive tasks, and increases overall productivity. A reliable, professional-grade solution, the Magic Ring L key set is an essential addition to any toolkit. The Pocket Star Fold-Out Hex Key Set is a compact professional solution for tight spaces and on-the-go work. Each key folds neatly into the handle for safe, portable storage, reducing lost tools and clutter. Made from high-strength steel, the hex keys resist bending and wear, providing reliable torque for precision fastening. Electricians, plumbers, and maintenance technicians appreciate the ergonomic handle, which improves grip and control during repetitive tasks. From assembling panels to tightening fittings in confined areas, this versatile set ensures efficiency, convenience, and durability, making it a must-have for any professional who values organization and portability. The Wiha PicoFinish Fine Screwdriver Set is designed for delicate precision electrical work. Featuring small, high-quality insulated tips, it allows electricians and technicians to work safely on sensitive components without risk of damage. The ergonomic soft finish handle provides excellent grip and control, reducing hand fatigue during long or repetitive tasks. Ideal for circuit boards, switches, or intricate installations, the set ensures accurate torque application and fast, clean operation. Durable steel shafts resist wear, providing long-lasting performance for professional use. Compact and reliable, the PicoFinish set is essential for anyone who needs precision, comfort, and safety in every job. The Wiha Red Stripe 30-piece toolkit is a versatile, ready-to-go solution for electricians and plumbers. Featuring 30 premium tools, including screwdrivers, pliers, and cutters, it covers a wide range of professional tasks. Each tool is designed for comfort and precision, with soft finish handles that reduce hand fatigue during extended work. The compact case keeps everything organized, portable, and easily accessible on any job site. Durable, high-quality materials ensure long-term performance, making the Red Stripe kit a reliable companion for daily tasks. Professionals rely on this kit for speed, efficiency, and confidence when tackling electrical, plumbing, or general maintenance projects. The Wiha 11-in-1 multi-driver is an all-in-one solution for professionals who need versatility and speed. Combining multiple bit types into a single ergonomic handle, it reduces tool switching and saves time on any project. Soft finish grips ensure comfort and precise control during repetitive tasks, while durable steel construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Perfect for electricians, plumbers, and technicians, this tool handles switches, outlets, fixtures, and fasteners efficiently. Its compact design fits in a pocket or backpack, making it ideal for mobile professionals. With the 11-in-1 multi-driver, users enjoy convenience, precision, and reliability in one smart, everyday tool. The soft grip T-handle hex keys are designed for comfort, speed, and precision. The T-handle provides maximum leverage for fast tightening or loosening, reducing effort on stubborn fasteners. Made from durable, hardened steel, these hex keys maintain their shape and reliability over extended use. Mounted on a convenient metal stand, the set stays organized and easy to access. Electricians, plumbers, and technicians appreciate its efficiency when working on panels, fixtures, or machinery. Ergonomic handles minimize hand fatigue, and the color-coded sizes allow quick selection. This professional-grade set ensures productivity, accuracy, and ease of use in every challenging job. The Wiha Tool's DriveLock 32-piece folding wallet is a versatile and portable solution for professionals on the move. Featuring interchangeable blades in a compact folding wallet, it eliminates the need for multiple screwdrivers. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, and the ergonomic handle provides comfort and precision during repetitive tasks. Electricians and plumbers can quickly switch bits to tackle any fastening job efficiently. The folding wallet keeps the set organized, secure, and easy to transport. From electrical panels to plumbing fixtures, the DriveLock set delivers professional-grade reliability, convenience, and efficiency for daily tasks. The Wiha ESD-safe 10-piece set is essential for electricians and technicians working with sensitive electronic components. Each tweezer is ESD-safe, preventing static discharge that could damage delicate circuits. Crafted from durable, anti-magnetic stainless steel, they offer precision, control, and long-lasting reliability. Ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during intricate tasks, while the variety of tips provides flexibility for gripping, positioning, and adjusting small components. Professionals rely on this set for PCB assembly, repair, and electronics maintenance. Safe, precise, and versatile, the Wiha ESD-safe tweezers combine quality and performance to enhance efficiency and protect sensitive equipment on every job. From precision screwdrivers to multifunctional pliers and complete tool sets, Wiha provides tools that combine comfort, durability, and professional-grade performance. Electricians and plumbers across 2026 are upgrading their toolkits with these innovative solutions. Whether for intricate electrical work or heavy-duty installations, Wiha tools ensure safety, efficiency, and reliability, making every project faster, easier, and more professional. Upgrade your kit today.